Hey guys, come over here real quick. Let us ask you a question. What do you think about the storm, the risk to your own safety at this point?
I'm sorry, I didn't hear your
What do
question.
you think about the storm, the power, the ferocity, and the risk to your own safety at this point?
Well, at this point, I'm very relieved to discover that as we speak, the eye of the storm is practically due south of us by 220 miles, okay, because it's crossing the 80th meridian, which is 80 degrees west longitude. So I'm not so worried because it's so far away, and it's bearing as of 8 p.m.
Westbound.
Well, not just westbound, it was 275 degrees. That's only 1/15 above due west toward true north.
Is he right?
So this thing is moving and has been moving in a very westerly direction, and because it's several hundred miles south, the risks are less and less. I'm not worried. I don't think it's going to get much worse than what we're seeing right here.
All right, thanks. Forecasters, meteorologists do suggest it is going to get worse than it currently is throughout the next 12 hours. In fact, 24 hours. Landfall on the west coast looks to be happening around 8 a.m. tomorrow. Cuba right now is getting raked along its northern coast just east of Havana. And the big threat now is to the Florida Keys, Marathon, Isla Mirada, and of course, Key West. They will all be in the dirty side of the storm. That's the northeast quadrant. And there is going to be some serious storm surge down there. 8 to 12 feet is quite possible. The 7 Mile Bridge, which is the long 7 Mile bridge that you go over after a marathon, which eventually gets you to Key West, that is now closed. So everybody who did not evacuate Key West, too late at this point.
Phil, is there anyone else quickly you can talk to around you and ask why they're still there?
Absolutely, we could do that. Here's a little family taking selfies. It's the latest thing, you know.
It's a
Selfies.
fad, right?
Hey, young
Hurricane
man,
selfies,
what's your
yes.
name?